Yeah, okay, guys. So today I'm going to be not beating, but I'm going to beating Descent, as well, only Descent, but I'm gonna be defeating Descent as. Oh wait, hold on. Frickin', what's his name? I don't know. There we go. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, also viewer discretion is advised. Trigger warning, I guess. I don't know, but yeah. As a hoover junkers gatherer or whatever the heck. But anyways, I said your discretion is advised. Is that mustard? Yep. Is it on? No. God dang it. There we go. No, get off. By the way, this dude's stats are so weak. Like, look.
Yeah.
My hand is like, see? Even with two hands, it's still, it's okay. You will pay for this. I will get out of here eventually. Don't you know that I'm not gonna, bro? Can't you see I'm up here, dummies? Cut through any. But it's not gonna stick around long. Yeah. Oh god. Sorry, skeleton. Frying pan. I'm gonna need some weapons because this dude is very weak. Like, he can die very quick by getting hit by a nobody. I can tell, because I was actually attacking nobodies before I started this video, so yeah. What the frick? Bone Lab is so weird. See? There we go. How did that do so much damage? See? Yeah. No! Hold on. Yes. Oh, how'd you not break? Now I'm determined to break it. Oh, come on. Okay, you know what? Thank you. I always break these all the time. Thank you. Sorry that I didn't read the lore text. I already know what it is, so I'm not. But if you want to see someone read it, then here, this can be my shock absorber. Oh, what? You should have broke from that. Okay, you know what? Oh my god. What? How did you break? But here. Oh my god! Just break. I'm breaking. That stuff I can just. Yeah, you I can break so easily. Anyways. And sorry if this is kind of boring. Sorry if you were expecting me to beat the whole campaign. I'm not doing the whole campaign because I stopped it, because I don't really want to spend that much time because I'm kind of lazy. And if I do beat the whole campaign, I want to live stream. So, but I can't live stream because I only have like a couple of subscribers. I need 50 subscribers to live. So if you guys can please subscribe and like, so that way my videos get recommended to people, I would like that. I'm not trying to seem like one of those YouTubers that like ask for subs all the time, but if you guys really want me to put out nice videos, then please like and subscribe, because then if I get more subs, I can freaking live stream, and then this can be even more cool. Because, oh, by the way, this is also kind of inspired by Mini Battle Live, but he didn't do this yet. No, see? No, die, no. Oh, god dang it, man. See what I mean? I should have used this. No! I did not know you could break that. That's something new. No! I'm trying to hook onto it, because you see, I can kind of hook onto things. See, but see, I can, like, hook onto things. Okay. You stupid skeleton killed me last time. Wow, all that rage just built it up and boom. Shut up, bird. Shush, bird. Boom. Man, I love doing that. Shush, bird. Shut up! Cutie. I found out that you can actually just do that. No. Okay. Too freaking fat. Ugh. By the way, no, I don't think anyone has done this, so that's why I'm doing it, because it might be interesting. But if I am gonna play. Shut up.
Al, you're causing a lot of trouble.
Shut up. If I do complete the whole campaign, I'm gonna wait until I have 50 subs so I can live stream it. That way it's more interesting and you can view it live. So yeah. Whee! I'm more of the destructive person in this game. Get out of this way. Whoa, the heck? That's light. Is that a lighting bug? Whoa, the heck? Yo. Yeah, this is definitely a lighting bug. I'm pretty sure it's very loud for you guys, so I'm pretty sure that... God dang it. Would you shut up, stupid light? Oh my god, this lighting bug is crazy. Lighting bug go burr, bro. For real. Lighting bug go burr. Ah! Oh my god, I don't like this lighting bug. Oh, hi, my great enemy. Don't you dare. I told you not to. That's what you get. Stab you right in the eye. Is that like oil? That's like oil. It's a shame that... Oh my god, there's actually a hole. It's a shame that it doesn't actually spew out oil. What the hell is going on with textures? Holy frick, I'm like pitch black. This is creepy, bro. I don't like this. Ugh. Stop it. And I can use guns, but I'm not gonna because I love using them, right? No, hey. Thank you. Oh my god, this is creepy. I don't like this. Look at that freaking...
It may look
okay, I'm
peaceful out here, but it isn't.
Oh, actually, no, I don't need you. Hostile. That's what he was gonna say. There's something hostile. What is this lighting, bro?
Transport ticket or employee credentials on hand before entering the transport station.
This is interesting. I like drama. I don't know why. Oh, he died and he died. Wait, I don't think he died, but nope. Okay.
Thank you for your patience.
It's expected at PM? What do you mean? Oh my god, see? See this?
Reminder to present your transit credentials.
Take that. Did you just kill a crablet by sitting on it?
Hey.
Nope. No hay, bro. No hay, bruh. Alright. And yes, I know there's a key under there. If you guys didn't know that, well, now you know. There's a key.
Transit
The more you know.
before entering the Fantasyland Employee Transport Station.
You're just gonna do. No. No! Don't. You guys, I have so many plans. I have a lot of plans for, well, not for videos, but I have a couple plans for, live streams and stuff like that. Because I really want to go live. Two stabs in the head and they're dead. But I always destroy the stuff here, so it doesn't destroy it next or one hit. I'm gonna bury it. Oh, come on. As you can tell, I'm more of a destruction person in this game. I already said that, but I'm repeating myself, okay? I don't care. This thing is so... robot is so weak, but I like this robot. I wish he was a bit stronger. There's a stronger version of this, but when my hands are like this, the hands in the game are like this. It's kind of short. I don't like that. Why are you over there?
Experiencing a temporary lockdown.
How temporary are we talking?
Some people think we need
I
an
hate
army,
that clock.
but I don't like army. I want something different. Everything out here is about building, about creation.
No, I don't like that number. We're just gonna stick with 7. And maybe we're gonna turn that down. There we go. I don't like 3 6s. Okay. By the way, I also want to show you guys something. Shut up. I want to... Oh! I hate that thing! Oh! Ow. But I want to show you guys something. You can do it. It's a funny, weird glitch. I don't know. But if you do this, you get them in there just right. No, not. God dang it. Get in there. If you put them in there just right, they will begin to spin. Kind of. Get in there. See, if you put them in there just right, the leader starts shaking or spinning. I found that out when I was having fun in this campaign. Anyways, what? Thank you. Ah, there's another one. Ah, little hammer. Where's the big hammer? Bang, 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 bang. Ah. No. Stay dead. Thank you. Ew, what was that? Ugh. Look at that. You like that? Holy cow. First, I gotta destroy these because some people might get mad if I don't. I don't know, but it annoys me when people don't destroy things in this game. Ew, what was that squashy noise? Yeah. Don't go anywhere, you Warhammer. I like you too much. Okay, you know what? I'll just use here. I'll just use these. Fine. Do. God dang it. Bam. And I I know you guys might get angry when I don't collect the ammo. I get annoyed too. But I can't really collect the ammo because I will die in an instant if they see me. So maybe I should collect the ammo, but just use the gun, just in case. Here, give me that. Oh god. Ammo! 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 No! See? I hate this. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Don't you kill me. Don't you kill me. No, 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 no. No. Give me my ammo. No. Do not try and kill me. Get away with it. Ooh. How are you not noticing me? Literally just looked at me. But hey, I'm not complaining. Whatever goes, goes. Whatever works, works. No, did I not select that one part? I don't know. What the? I guess you're going down here. Oh my god, see how weak he is? He can't even lift to nobody. I love doing that. Whee! Hey! Let me in! I'm gonna try and glitch it, you know? I don't know why I like destroying things. It's just my natural way of having doing something. Ew. Ew. What are those sloshy noises coming from that thing?
Now exiting this
Oh.
simulation. We hope you have
Huh. I can get out. Get out. No, my hand. My hand. My hand. It's getting sucked into the void. No, my hand. My hand. It's getting sucked into the void. Okay. Oh god. I'm holding on to the rail. I don't care. Everything's possible with Lava Gang. True. Oh no. Ah, no. No. Give me. Great. I love doing that. I don't know why. It's just something fun about it. I have no idea. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Hopefully it wasn't over 1 gigabyte. But before I had to end this very quick before, if it's not over 1 gigabyte, before it does get over 1 gigabyte. And these are secret videos you can't see. But bye.